Have you ever felt so overwhelmed by all the decisions you have to make in a day that it seems like your brain is going to short circuit? If you've experienced this before, you're not alone. It's called decision fatigue, and it's something we all face. But the good news is there are ways to manage it so you don't end up feeling paralyzed by choice. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Manning-Gibbs. Welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you found me because this channel is all about helping you to uncover how stress affects your mind, your body, and your soul. And more importantly, giving you practical tools to bounce back and thrive. I'm here to help you to stress less and live a more balanced life. Now let's talk about how to manage decision fatigue. There are a few strategies that can help you simplify your day-to-day and reduce that mental exhaustion. Today, we're diving into something that we all deal with, decision fatigue. You've probably experienced that mental drain after making too many choices, whether it's deciding what to eat, which email to respond to first, or what to wear in the morning. Decision fatigue can seriously impact your stress levels, and if left unchecked, it can cause overwhelm, anxiety, and even burnout. But the good news is there are proven strategies to help manage it. So what exactly is decision fatigue? Essentially, it's the mental exhaustion you feel when you've been making too many choices or decisions in a short period of time. When this happens, your brain starts to become less effective at making decisions, leading to poor choices, procrastination, or even decision paralysis. It's a real thing, and it's one of the reasons we can feel so mentally drained by the end of the day. When you're experiencing decision fatigue, you might notice that you start making decisions more impulsively or feel overwhelmed by even the simplest choices. You might also feel irritable, stressed, or just mentally drained. This is because your brain's decision-making capacity has been used up and is struggling to keep up. One of the best ways to tackle decision fatigue is by simplifying your choices. Think about how you can automate some decisions. For example, meal prepping for the week, or streamlining your to-do list by prioritizing the most important tasks can help cut down on mental clutter. You can also limit your options. Sometimes the more choices we have, the more mentally exhausting it becomes. I had a great example of this when I recently went to the Cheesecake Factory for their happy hour. Now, most of us know their regular menu is massive, right? Hit the like button if you agree with that. It's pages and pages of food options, which can easily make you feel overwhelmed when you're trying to decide what to eat. But the happy hour menu was a completely different story. It's much smaller with limited choices, but some pretty good options. And let me tell you, I actually picked my meal in record time. Having fewer options made the decision-making process so much easier, and I felt less mentally drained. This is why limiting your choices, whether it's in your meals, your tasks, or your daily activities, can help you to feel more energized and less stressed. So the next time you're feeling overwhelmed by all the choices in front of you, try narrowing them down and see how much easier it becomes to make a decision. Another way to avoid decision fatigue is by making decisions earlier in the day when your brain is fresh. For example, if you know you'll have to make a lot of decisions, try tackling the most important ones first thing in the morning. This is when your brain is operating at its best, and you'll have more mental clarity to make better choices. Another strategy is to create routines or habits that limit the number of decisions you need to make on a daily basis. For instance, if you're always trying to decide what to wear in the morning, consider creating a uniform or a capsule wardrobe. This way, you don't have to waste time choosing your outfit each day, freeing up mental space for other things. Remember, decision fatigue is a real challenge. but it's something you can manage. By simplifying your choices, making decisions earlier in the day, and creating routines, you can make it easier to tackle your day without feeling mentally drained. The key is to be intentional about how you structure your day so that you don't overwhelm yourself with choices. I hope this video empowers you to take control over how you make decisions and manage your mental energy. Start small, experiment with these strategies, and notice how it changes your day-to-day life. You've got this, guys. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up so YouTube knows you like this channel and this information that I'm sharing with you. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any practical stress management tips that I have coming your way. Feel free to leave a comment below sharing how you manage decision fatigue. I would love to know. Or ask any questions you might have. I love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching. And remember, you have the power to simplify your decisions and reduce your stress. Take control, and I'll see you in the next video.